Hey guys, it's me Aman Das. Today I'll be traveling from Majerat to Joka by metro, means the purple line. As last time I've told, last time I made the vlog on the orange line, so this time I'll be making on the purple line. So let's get started. So hey guys, finally we've reached Majerat metro station. So let's get inside. Let's wait for the train. Let me show you this Majerat station. See, this is the Majerat metro and the local station, railway station, sorry. So let's get inside. So hey guys, we're entering the metro station. As you can see, this is the platform number 2 towards Joka. Let me show you the train. Wow, everything is purple. That's just called the purple line. What a beauty station. As you can see, wow, it's so much fun. Okay, let's board the train. So before that, let's see the map. So purple lines, Joka, Thakur Pukur, then it is Shakir Bajar, Bela Chaurasta, Bela Bazar, Tartala, then Majerat. Till here, from Joka to Majerat, the line was operational. Now the working line like Mominpur, Khidipur, Victoria, it will বেহালা বাজার চৌরাস্তা আলাদা আমি তো জোকা থেকে হ্যাঁ Victoria Park Street plan. So now the line is working. Okay, let me show you the train. As you can see, the train has appeared. Train has reached Majerat station. So this train now it is in the opposite line. This train will go there and then it will come in reversal. The train will come in reversal. Okay, let's board the train. Let the train come, then we'll board. So hey guys, you can see the train has come, entering in the station. This is the same Medharik which is used in Blue Line Metro, as you can say North-South Metro, which we travel most. No Splendor's facility. It is only provided in the Green Line Metro. Okay, so let's board the train. Let the door open. Wow, it's so chilled. Now we are in Majerat metro station. As you can see, it's written. This is the display board. This is as usual the same Medharik which is used in Blue Line Metro or North and South Africa. It is decorated so well. During the inaugural time it was like this, and it is still like that. Coach is empty, my coach. Only the 2 passengers are here. You can see. Oh my god. Sorry guys, by mistake I sat in the ladies seat. So whatever. almost empty. Okay, let's talk after the train leaves. Finally, a train has departed. It's departing Mazar metro station. There's a guard over here due to some security reasons. This is a security protected area, so because of that, this has been guarded with, as you can see, you cannot see over there because this security protected area. This is the Mazirat Bridge. Mazirat Bridge, where you can come by car, also bus, anything you can. Okay, so let's meet at the Tarzala metro station. Say guys. So as you heard, so guys, as you have heard the announcement that we reached Tarzala. So this line is going to Esplanade, but it is not yet ready now. Construction is ongoing. But the station is fully empty. It is full empty. This is the display board, as you can see, but the manual board is missing as usual. This should not be like that. Missing is missing. Though it is there, the display board is there, but missing is missing.
Borowati Station, Behala Bazar, platform.
You guys have heard.
Agla Station, Behala Bazar, platform. Malitar. The next station
Reservation for seats.
Behala Bazar, platform is on the left side.
Okay, let's meet at the Behala Bazar. So guys, we have now reached Behala Bazar. Few passengers are there station, but the craze is not as well as the other metro station. Other stations were opened, like what about the Green Line, the Orange Line. There was still a little bit craze, but it has not a bit craze over here. So we are now departing Behala Bazar. Now the next station is Behala Chaurasta. So let's depart first, and then we'll meet there.
Borowati Station, Behala Chaurasta, platform Mandike. Agla Station, Behala Chaurasta, platform Malitar. The next station is Behala Chaurasta, platform is on the left side.
Okay, so let's meet at the Behala Chaurasta. Now we are reaching Shauker Bazar.
Platform Malitar. The next station is Shauker Bazar. Platform is on the left side.
Next station is Shauker Bazar. Sorry, I couldn't make a video on Behala Chaurasta, so see, this is the ground where Saurav Ganguly used to practice cricket. This is the ground. Saurav Ganguly used to practice cricket during his time. So hey guys, you can see the station from, you can see, I think you guys can't see. Okay, so let's meet at Shakir Bajar directly only.
Platform Bandike. Station Shokir Bajar. Platform बाएं तरफ. Station Shokir Bajar. Platform is on
I
the
think
left side.
it's really very empty. The coach is only one passenger sitting over there, as you can see. This is the ladies' seat where I sit by mistake. You can sit because as the train is empty, but I prefer you should not sit over there. So now we're departing Shokir Bajar, and I think the next station is Thakur Pukur. Yes, the next station is Thakur Pukur. So let's meet at Thakur Pukur. Come on. So hey guys, we have reached Thakur Pukur station.
Station Thakurpukur. Platform Bandike. Station Thakurpukur. Platform बाएं तरफ. Station Thakurpukur. Platform is on the left side.
Waiting for so much. Now the coach is fully empty. You can see that this is the second last station, Thakur Pukur. So now we are departing Thakur Pukur. Now the last station, we will be meeting at the last station, Joka. So let me show you the departure first. As you guys have heard.
अगला आखिरी स्टेशन जोगा प्लेटफॉर्म बाईं तरफ.
Next and coming on station is Joka. Platform is on the left side.
All the platforms from Majera to Joka, all the platforms are on left side. So the announcement I've already told. Wow, it's a very sharp curve. Now you can see the Joka station. Okay, so let's meet directly at Joka only.
Station Joka. Platform is on the left side.
Station Joka. Platform one.
स्टेशन जोगा प्लेटफॉर्म बाईं तरफ.
Station Joka. Platform is on the left side.
So you guys have heard.
যাত্রীদের অনুরোধ করা হচ্ছে যে আপনারা এই অন্তিম স্টেশনে গাড়ির কামরা খালি করে দিন।
Okay. Let's depart the train. Okay, so let's meet outside the station. So hey guys, finally I've reached Joka. So I just want to give the review about metro ride. The ride is good. It is, but only the the timing is really very odd. The metro starts at 8:30 a.m. but it ends at 3:30 p.m. It is ending really very fast. So it is really very odd. So, and second, the minus thing is that this route only goes on one rake. This route goes on only one train. So suppose if you are at Joka station, then you want to go to Mazerat, but you have missed the train. So only the thing is you have to wait for 1.5 hours. You have to wait. So why I'm saying that, because the train will go to Matherat, then from there again the same train will come. Again you have to wait for that same train only, the train which you have missed from Matherat, from Joka you have missed. So you have to wait. The train will again come from Matherat. Then again the train will come at Joka. Then it will take a reversal point, and then you can catch the train. This is the rail. What I say. This really takes a lot of time, but whatever it is, the journey was good, and coach was really very empty as it has started very new. This is a minus point. I wanted to say that. So as of now, from Joka to Matherat, no one wants to take metro over here. So I want to tell you the fares. The fare is minimum 5 rupees and maximum 20 rupees. Okay, so I'm ending it over here. Meet you at the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye.